I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Welcome guys. I hope you can hear me nice and clear. Nice and clearly. So this is DC. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe. As you can see, we have our live subscribers. Live. What do you call it? What do we call it? We have a live counting of our subscribers on my channel. You can see. Is it on my left or right? I don't know. Somewhere there you can see we have a live counting of our subscribers. So our aim, like what I said last time, is to reach 10,000 in December. So we need about 3,000 subscribers before the year ends. So what am I saying? So it means that if you subscribe to my channel, you guys who are always following my live, you are my loyal subscribers. So if you have subscribed to my channel, what are you going to do? You need to take your husband's or your wife YouTube account and also subscribe. You also need to take your children's YouTube account and also subscribe. Just to support me, guys, because at the end of the day, these are the things that motivate me. When I look at the channel, when I look at where we are coming from and where we are and where we are going, I'm happy and I'm so excited that the channel is growing, because I think it was only this year that we got monetized, and within the same year we've managed to get something like 4,000 subscribers, which is a great achievement. All this is because of your support, guys. So continue supporting me, create a new account and also subscribe again. Okay. So, like what I promised, I'll be going live on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and probably Saturday. I'll be going live, but today's live is gonna be very, very short because I already did the analysis. So, what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be sharing with you what I'm seeing in this market, and maybe probably share with you one important thing that we can add to our price action. Yeah, breakout strategy. We have a unique breakout strategy. You know, people talk about breakouts when it comes to price action, but not everyone is able to use these breakout strategies effectively. Okay, so if you can hear me nice and clear, if you can hear me nice and clear, uh, please just comment in the section that you can hear me nicely, and please like, and make sure you subscribe and also share this stream to your buddies, to your friends. Um, so in this live, what are we going to do? If you comment, you like, and you also subscribe to our channel, we are promising we are going to give you the new DC tricks EMA scalping indicators for booming crash. Sorry. Yes. I can hear you loud and clear. Please comment. We want these lives to be more interactive. We want these lives to be more interactive. So please comment, and let's see what is going to take place. Okay. So basically, whoever is going to select one person, then during these 2 weeks of our live session, we're going to say each and every week we'll select one person to be part of our um, mentorship program, which is going to to start on the 14th of December. We have our mentorship program where we teach people different things. We have our mentorship program. So I'm going to select this week one and next week one. Those will be participating in our lives. So this is my mentorship group where I teach different things. So this is some of the information that I teach. So this is our mentorship program. So we normally use Teams. And you can see I was giving my spike detectors for free for those who are part of our mentorship program. And we normally have online live sessions. We normally have lessons on a Tuesday, not on a Tuesday, on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's where we normally have. So around 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., that's where we'll be having our lessons. So after we are done, we normally post our videos. So currently, these are the group members that we currently have, and these are the members the current group that we have. And we'll be posting some updates in we'll be posting our updates in our WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group and also a Telegram. Telegram group is basically for Telegram group is basically for posting videos. Then the WhatsApp group is for posting maybe pictures and some updates, and also maybe if you have a meeting, that's where we post these things. So this is our mentorship program. So currently with this current group that we have, like I promised, we're gonna kindly ask these guys to do a video of how what they were able to learn and how the mentorship program was, and I'll post it on my channel. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And if they were able to benefit something during this, it probably stages for 3 to 4 weeks, probably a month, if they were able to learn something new from this mentorship program. So if you wanna be part of our mentorship program, that is going to start on the 14th of December. Please get in touch. The details are there. You can start registering. So this is now my 4th group. I started mentorship programs, I think, this year. So this is now my 4th group. So if you want to be part of this mentorship program, please use the details that are there in the description to get in touch with me, and you can get these. You can be part of this mentorship program. So my mentorship program is $200, and we do it live. We have a live session on Teams. We use Microsoft Teams. Then also have our VIP group, which I which we post signals daily. We post, this was a signal that we posted yesterday, and the market is now starting to move up. We posted a signal yesterday when the price was here, and now the price is starting to drop. So we have our VIP group. We have our VIP group. Emmanuel, nice to meet you. Cleric D, how are you guys? Oyewoli Dayo, how are you guys? So we have our VIP group, which I also post deriv synthetic, deriv synthetic signals daily, and we also have these free groups. The links to these free, I think one of the groups is through, and we recently created a new one. So if you're also free to join these free groups, and you can interact with other members or other traders from all over the world. So this one is the group that is full. So then we also have this one, which is the current group. I'm gonna send a link to this one so that you can join these groups. So with these groups, I also post some analysis and signals. No, but not all the time that I post signals, because I want them to be interactive. I don't want to be the center of attraction. I want you guys to interact and share information. And if you have a question that you want to ask, you can ask in that group. And I also, you can see today, okay, I also share some analysis. This is an analysis that I shared today on volatility 75 in these groups. So I want these groups to be more interactive. I want to be the one, so you can see people will be talking, people will be sharing information from different countries, because I know there are some people who know something that I don't know. So that's the platform that I'm creating, so that you can interact with other traders, and this can be beneficial. Okay, so basically that's it. Then what else do we have? We also have our EAs and our robots, our EAs and our robots. We have our EAs and robots. So we have a lot. Of. So I have a website, but on that website, it's still under construction. If you want to download free indicators, free EAs, we have a website. Where's the website? It has been long since I visited that website. So on that platform, there are a lot of free tools, the EAs that I personally created, and some that I downloaded from different sources, and also some indicators that I personally created, and others that I've downloaded. So let me take it to that website. We have a website. Okay, it has been long since I posted anything on that website. Where is the website? Let's see. Oh, why? I think it's this one. So in this Telegram group, I've been posting a lot of things in this Telegram. Is this one? Is this the right? Let me see. Because I made some changes on my website. It's still under construction, because we want to get to a point where if you want to purchase something, you can just go to the website and you can download it instead of and you can also get access to different people's reviews on different products. Is this one the one? No. I don't think this is the one. I think this is the one. It's still loading. Okay, so this is our website. We have a website. And if you're interested in downloading, yes, this is the one. If you're interested in downloading free, yes, yeah, that's the one. It was loading. So this is my website, and the link to my website is there. Okay, let me just post it now. The link, I'll post it in the. So if you want to download some free tools, go to this website, and you can also get access to that. And in our WhatsApp group, link for the WhatsApp group is this one. So let me just post it, and here it's very hot in South Africa. How's the temperature where you guys are? How is it? Is it cold? I have a friend in UK. He was complaining that you guys are complaining that it's hot in South Africa, but in UK in minus, -3, I think so. So how is the temperature where you guys are watching us from? How is the temperature from those different areas? Here it's hot. I think there was a day when it reached something like 50 degrees, 50 something. You can't really go outside and do anything. So this is the link to and also our Telegram group. Our Telegram group. So I'm sending the links. So today I think we'll look at 3 assets. We have volatility, 75, we have crash 300 and cash 1000. Then we call it a day. Then probably I will share my breakout strategy. Okay, what else is there? I think that's it. Okay, cool. Rain in Nigeria. Wow, that's nice. It's raining in Nigeria. That's nice. I'm planning, if God permits, one day I'm gonna visit Nigeria. Maybe I will have a workshop where I'll be just teaching people forex. I will definitely come to Nigeria one of these days because I saw that you see this channel. If I look at this analytics, most of my subscribers are from Nigeria. Let me just show you this, guys. Most of my subscribers are from Nigeria. So for the support that these guys are giving me, I'm planning to go to Nigeria. Then so let me show you the analytics and how the channel has been moving, and this is all because of you guys. Okay, view channel. So Nigeria will be one of the places that I'm gonna visit. Okay, so you can see that the channel is growing nicely, and let's go to the audience. Okay. Wait, where is it? Please check that information. Okay. Geographic, yes, this is what I'm talking about. You can see about 12% of my subscribers and people who watch my content are from Nigeria. And of recent, we can see Botswana. We have a lot of subscribers or viewers from Botswana and also South Africa, Kenya, and Zimbabwe. So I'm planning to visit Nigeria because these guys are supporting my channel. And yeah, basically that's it. So you can see the channel is growing because of this. So one of these days I will probably go to Nigeria and we'll... Okay, so let's quickly go to the business of the day. So this is what I discovered in Crash 300. On the 1 hour chart, the plan, the market. Okay, overall, what I can see is this. Let me go to 4 hours so that I can get a clear picture. So there's a descending channel, there's a or a bearish channel that we currently have. So let me do this. So because of the fact that here with the breakout structure, as the price was moving up. Okay, let me go on the day. We want to see if we are our bias, directional bias on the daily and the H4. We want to see our directional bias from those time frame. I hope this is gonna be short. I wanted to make it 30 minutes and I'm done. Okay. Why is it still in time? It's playing games. This is 26. 26. 26. 26. So on the daily chart, what do we see? On the daily chart, are we bullish or bearish? We can see here there was a breakout structure as the price during this phase, during this period, price was moving up here. So this is the phase with the bullish trend here. And then when we had this breakout structure here, with the breakout structure here, this price was able to move up. So our valid low, high low was this one. This one was the high low that resulted in the breakout structure. Okay, this one. Okay, also this one. Okay, let's talk about this one. Because with this one, we had the breakout structure here. And this low, this was our valid high low. So if price is going to be in a downtrend, it has to take out this one, which happened at this particular level. So currently, because this high low resulted in a breakout structure, the price moved up and BOS here and created a new high. So when that happened, there was a continuation of a bullish trend. Then, if you want to know that there is now a reversal, you look at this previous low that resulted in a breakout structure. If that low is taken out, for example, at this particular level, we have our change of character. So currently, this is where we are, and price has managed to make a low. This is the low. This is the lower low, and currently price has made a lower high. So this is the structure that we have. We have this structure. So we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. So that's the first thing that I was able to get. So the price is in a downtrend. There's a change of character, and price from this particular level has made a low high and a low low. So this is the we have. So price currently is in a downtrend. So we are looking for selling opportunities. Then if I drop down to the 4 hour, let's see what we have on the 4 hour. So crash 300 because of this is in a downtrend. Okay, we have the same thing, nothing. We have the same thing here. So we are agreeing that this is a downtrend. Then if I come to the 1 hour, that's where I notice that price is developed a descending or a bearish channel. There's a channel that I saw on the on this part. Okay, on the H1. So we have a channel with these touch points, which I was used to draw with 1, 2, 3, which makes this trend line, this support level here, valid. And we also have 1, 2, 3. So when price came to this particular level in our VIP group, we were able to catch this movement yesterday. But you know, people are afraid to trade Christ 300. There was a statement that that was very funny. Someone said, I think it was Mr. Ben, he said, the fear of Crash 300 is the beginning of knowledge. So that's when I discovered that people are really afraid to trade Crash 300 because it consumes a lot of money. I think after, when using the smallest source size 0.5, and after a candle, it will be $1. So here we're able to get this movement, and price moved up again, and it's now dropping. So this one, we can call it a double top with 1, but it's a triple top, because from what I can see is that the price came for the 3rd time here. It's a triple top here, 1 with this top, 1, 2, 3. So it's a triple top. And now what do we see? We see that price is managed to break this neckline. We have a neckline here, and price is closed below this level. So if this candle, current candle, let me just go to this one. Okay, this is the thing that we have here. So this is our neckline, and you can see price is reacting with the neckline. Now we have a break and retest, which is a confirmation that we need when we are using a triple top. We want price to make a breakout. So this is what I teach in my mentorship program, that if you are trading chart patterns, for example, a triple top, you need to wait for price to break a support level, which is our neckline. And when that is done, you then wait for price to come back to the what? To that support. It will act as a resistance. And we can see this is what is currently taking place. So my assumption is that price is supposed to move down until it reaches this point. Maybe at this point it can face some form of support, or buying pressure, and then price can reverse. But I would be looking forward for a breakout from this channel. A breakout from this channel. The breakout has to be on this support. So if there's going to be a breakout, the breakout that I'm anticipating has to be down here. So that's one thing that I'm seeing in Crash 300. What do you think, guys? What do you think about Crash 300? Let's read. Can't wait for DC to visit Niger. Definitely. I was watching these awards for African what, and Nigeria. Amapiano was voted as the best, I think, for this year. But Amapiano originated from South Africa, so I was laughing that how is it possible that the people who created Amapiano are now losing their awards? Yeah, the Nigerian Amapiano is very nice. That's the one that I like. I like the one from Nigeria. It's very nice. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing. I want someone who can comment on that analysis that I've just given you guys. What do you think about this analysis? We are supposed to be bearish and we are supposed to hit this target. What do you see, guys? So this is what I'm seeing in volatile in price 300. So let's just wait for this 1 hour candle to close. If this closes and we have a what? So what I'm thinking is that we're gonna have a shooting star here. This candle will close probably to be a shooting star, and when it confirms the retest that is taking place here, and then the price will start dropping like crazy. Yeah, I think the price will drop like crazy. I think for your profit targets, the first target is gonna be this point. So you should take your first profit on this level. So where are you going to place your? So ideally, when you're using this triple top, some people believe that you can place it above this level, which is really crazy when it comes to volatility 300. So you want to make your losses. So what are you going to do? Wait for this candle to close and see where exactly it is going to close. If it confirms the breakout, what do I mean that it confirms the breakout? It will close below this neckline. If it closes below this neckline, there's a great likelihood that the price will then move downwards. So let's just wait and see how price is going to move. Then you will have your third take profit. No, this one doesn't make sense. So the first take profit should be there, and you should probably have a 1:1. But with me, when it comes to 300, no, 1:1 is crazy because it will blow probably $100 account. So what I would want to do is this. I want this candle to be a shooting star. Then I'll just place my stop loss just above this level, and then it will be small. You'll see. Let's just wait and see what is going to take place. So what do you guys think about this analysis? Crash 300 is in a channel, yes, a bearish channel or a descending channel. Okay, that's true. That's what I'm also seeing here, guys. Okay, let's have more people subscribing, more people liking. I want more people to like. We want to have more subscribers. Please go and use your children, your wife, your grandmother's account and subscribe to this channel. Our target before the year ends 2023, in 2024, we want to reach at least 10,000 subscribers. Going live, I think, on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that we can grow this channel. So it has been doing well. I think we started when it was 6,000 something, and now we are on. So the channel is moving well. Okay, so let me proceed. I want to make this one very long. So this is what I'm seeing. Crash 300. Let me go to 1,000. Crash 1,000. Crash 1,000. There's nothing. But I didn't know this. It was yesterday. Okay, let me see. Okay, volatility 75 is going to be the last one. I'm reserving this one. so I can the time that I will be spending on live if the analysis are already done to be easy. So we can see here we had price coming back to this area which was used as a support and previously was used as what is a resistance. So when price was moving up, price was moving up, there was a period when crash was just moving up and it got to this level. And when it got to that level, what do we see? We have seen that price one is broken from this from this trend line. We have 1, 2 touches, and price has managed to break from this trend line. So we're going to wait now. There's now a breakout, and now we've seen. So there are high chances that there's going to be a continuation of this thing, of this bearish trend. Price is going to continue going down because we have a retest, and the retest is confirmed that price has used this level that was a support, and it's now being used as a resistance. And apart from that, we're on the 1 hour chart. We have seen that price has taken out this previous low. This level has been taken out. Price is closed below this level. This level resulted in a breakout structure. Why? Because this is the valid low. So there are high chances price is officially in a downtrend. So we can see from there we have created a lower low. So there is now a change of what? A shift in market structure or a change of character here. So that means this has confirmed that this level is now being used as a resistance and price is likely going to move downwards. So this is what I'm seeing in crash. It is supposed to move downwards, but where exactly are you going to take your trade? That's another issue now. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing in crash, and let's go to volatility simplified. Now, what I said, I'm not gonna take a lot of time. I'm gonna make this one as short as possible. So if you go now, we're now analyzing volatility simplified. So if you go on the 24-hour chart, and today in our VIP group, I gave this analysis. Let me take you through what I saw and what I wrote. Okay. So this is the first thing that I saw. So I saw that during the greater part of this year, 2023, volatility 75 was consolidating. It was range bound. It was moving from this support to this resistance, and with price, we can see how many times this support was respected, and also this resistance. Eventually, price was able to break from this resistance, and we had a breakout. So in most cases, when you see a swing low and a swing high, that has resulted in a break of a resistance. The higher chances when price return back to that particular level, that level will be used as a support. And we can see this is like a double top, and we can also see some form of price rejection on this particular level with price rejection here with this week and this week. So the daily week that we had on the previous day, yesterday, shows that this level is acting as a strong support, and there is great likelihood that price will move upwards from that level. Okay. Then from there, what did I see again? From there, I also saw that price now was able to break from this trend line with a trend line, and for you to confirm, okay, that's the part that I also wanted to share with you. Okay, so let me quickly finish on explain, then we'll talk about this breakout strategy. So you'll see that there is a breakout. That the problem is this. The problem is this. If you're going to trade breakouts blindly, there are high chances that when price, there will be, we are coming to the end of the month. One, we are also coming to the end of the year. This is the time that brokers, especially deriv, will manipulate the price too much so that they maximize, because that's where most of the traders will be depositing and will be more active in trading. So that's where they manipulate the price too much. So you need to be careful. So when using this approach to trade breakouts, this one is the most accurate and is the most breakout strategy that is a lot of confirmation, a lot of confluence. So what I'm waiting for, although there is a breakout, I'm waiting for price to take out this high that has been created. That confirms that this is surely a breakout. And we are coming from that analysis that that support is holding and is moving price up. So for me to get more confirmation, I want price to break from this to make to create a new high. And when that happens, you can take your trade immediately there, or you can wait for the pullback for price to come back and use this resistance as a support, and then it moves up. When you do this, you'll see one. There are times when you enter it a trade, for example, some people who were able to catch this breakout. It's frustrating because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 hours, the price is just stagnant. It's not moving up, it's not moving up. So in most cases, when there's a breakout, sometimes there can be a consolidation, which is the phase that price is currently in volatility 75. So you want price to gain enough momentum. When price has managed to gain enough momentum, and then it breaks from that consolidation, then you now have a breakout from the trend line, a breakout from the consolidation. Price is going to move violently from this consolidation. So the higher, the bigger the consolidation, the greater the breakout. So you know that if it consolidates more, like what is taking place now. So let's quickly go to trade view, and I'll show you what I'm trying to say here. It's really frustrating. Yes, you're able to get this breakout, but as soon as that breakout is took place, what then happened? Price started to consolidate. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for price. This will confirm that this is a true breakout. This will confirm if it's a true breakout. If we have price taking out this high, and then probably here it will face some resistance, and then it will come back and use this as a support, and then it moves upwards. So basically, this is the plan. So we want price to move away from the consolidation, which indicates that price has gained enough momentum and is likely now going to move upwards. So this is how I trade breakouts. So if this breakout is true, you are not going to be caught by a fake out. Why? Because you are also waiting for a breakout from the consolidation. So this movement confirms that the breakout is true. So we are not trying to get ahead of our price by taking this breakout and just assume, because sometimes price, after making this move, it will break from this level and then start moving downwards. There's that possibility. So when you use this breakout strategy, it gives you a lot of confirmation, which is one thing that you need. You need to take trades with confidence. You can hold that trade with confidence. Why? Because there's a lot of confluence. There are a lot of factors that are supporting your buying or selling decision. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price to break out from this. So it's not like I only make videos on indicator-based strategies. I know how to trade. I can trade any asset. That's what I believe. I can analyze any asset, be it Nasdaq, be it gold, be it anything. Why? Because there are two things that is applicable to every financial asset. One is smart money concept, ICT, which I also teach in my mentorship program, and also price action. It stays constant relatively in all financial markets. So I know that with price action. So that's one thing. If you are someone who only focuses on indicators, I'm not saying indicators are bad, but there's a limit that you go. You only know indicators in a booming crash. What one day the broker decides to close, so you're not going to be trading anymore. So be a complete trader who's able to analyze a chart, who's able to use price action, who's able to use ICT. So you also need to learn. Don't just sorry. One thing that I've discovered in trading is that this business, to me, it's business. This business is a never end, ever ending. What do English? When you try to think in Shona, in your vernacular, then you try to use English. It's difficult. So this business that we are looking at, it's the process is it's continuous. You don't have to learn something and you stop. Each and every day, that's what I do. I'm constantly learning new things. That's how I've quickly evolved. Then there's some people who argue, why is it if you know it, why do you spend time teaching other people's? One, with me, what I now know, I didn't know it back then. Then I begged God to help me to understand these things. And if I'm now in a position to understand it, I'll share it with the world. So that's what I'm constantly doing. And those who are really smart enough, if you just follow these lives that we're having, you'll be able to pick something new each and every time that I come to this live, because I'm always sharing new information. So if you're interested, you can also join our mentorship. But if you're lucky, I'm gonna select this week one, and next week I'll select someone. Uh, then on the 14th of December, we'll be having our mentorship program. But I want more people to subscribe, guys. We have our live count. We have our live count. We want to reach. We need 3,000 subscribers, which is not big. I know that we are in a position to do that. Okay, let's have more people like him, please. Please, what is the parameters for the neckline for Crash 300? Oh, yeah, Crash 300 is fearful. Deriv increased the lot sizes, and that's how, I used to trade Crash 300 easily, and now you'll be afraid to trade. You need to have good capital for you to hold a trade in Crash 300. Yes, it can never end. Okay, so what are people saying? I can see this guy has been very active. So Benedict, I'm gonna give you this is my number. So get in touch. I'm going to give Benedict my new scalping indicator for boom and crash. You have the whole package. So get in touch with me now whilst we are on this live, and I'll give it to you. So send me your email address, Benedict, so that I can send it before I close this live. I want to share with you this new scalping indicator. Benedict have been very active, very active. So I'm selecting Benedict today to receive a prize. Okay. So basically, that's what someone is asking about the parameters in Crash 300. I'm just giving an analysis. I'm not going to give you guys the parameters. Okay, let's see. I want to see if price is respecting the neckline. So it was 26. It was 26, I think so. Okay, so for me, this is a valid neckline, a support line, which we have 1, 2, 3. Price related with this level multiple times. So if price is going to, if this breakout is true, price is to close below this neckline. That's why. And we can see from this level, okay. So this is a triple top. This is a triple top, and we're just waiting for price. I want this hourly candle to close below this level, and then so someone was asking about the parameters. So the coordinates are the following. So it's 35.22. That's where I placed my neckline. The support line is 35.22. 35.22.958. So this is the parameter of the neckline. Someone was asking about that. So Benedict, send me on WhatsApp your email address so that I can give you this new scalping indicator for free. So I can give you this thing. How powerful this scalping indicator is. One, you need to go to a 15-minute time frame and you check on this uh, on this. We also have our spike detector. So if you're someone who enjoys kitchen spice, we have an amazing spike detector. Okay, we also have this one. Let me just make it white. Wanna see how that hourly candle is going to close? Okay, we have this DCMI histogram. I created these things, guys. I created all these things, this indicator on my own. But I didn't go to a coding school. I was teaching myself. I think I have now about 6 to 7 years experience trading these things. That's where I was also learning how to code. I was constantly teaching myself how to do this. So I have an advice. Some people think that forex is an escape route. You want to leave your job. Honestly, no one likes their job, and people like the money they get from the job. So if you are not enjoying what is taking place, people think that I'm gonna leave forex, I'm gonna leave my job and start focusing on forex. Yeah, that can actually work for you. But my advice is this: before you leave your job, make sure that you have invested enough knowledge in what you're gonna be doing. Make sure that you've managed to flip your account. If it's growing an account, make sure within, I don't know, you've managed to maybe, if you're earning something like, let's just say 10,000, 1,000 US dollars, make sure that you've managed to grow your account and the account is now on 12,000 US dollars. You've managed to get your yearly income so that if you leave your job, you have something, you have a backup. Because I'm telling you, the truth about forex is this: that most people do not say. Forex is not easy. Forex is difficult, especially if you don't have the right information. If you people say it's easy, you can easily make it. You rely on signals. That's a lie. You can also lose because of signals. You need to invest in your knowledge. Find someone. I'm not saying join my mentorship program, but if you want, you're also free to join. Find someone who can mentor you, give you the right information that you can use in your forex journey before you start, and try to use that information and see for yourself. Am I improving? Am I being profitable? Then after that, you now have one, the knowledge. Secondly, you now have the expertise. You now know how to flip accounts. You now know how to be profitable. Then you can then leave your job. But if you can't grow an account, if you don't have enough information, and every time you listen to a forex video, everything that they're saying is new, then please keep that job, get the necessary information, and when you're now ready, you have the knowledge and you now have the skill, then you can leave your job. I did the same. I left my job, I think it was in February. And I was now asking myself, what exactly am I doing? Working that I was a teacher. I was a teacher, a science teacher, for your own information, who majored in economics. I majored in economics. I have a BS honors degree in economics, but I was teaching science. When I was at school, I was very good in science. I think there was a time that I was selected. I was one of the best students. Then I was selected to be in a science class. Then I said, I like accounting because I had an influence because what do you call it? There was this guy. I admired his lifestyle and what he was doing. He was doing accounting and management. So I had that picture that when I grow up, I want to be like this guy. So I said, I'm not going to do sciences. Why? Because I thought that if you focus on sciences, you'll be a doctor. I didn't know that you can be an engineer. There are a lot of avenues in science. But so I was teaching science. I was very good in science. I'm very, very good in science. So I was teaching science at that school for the past 5 years. Then I said, I'm gonna leave it because I got to a point where I realized that I had the necessary information. I was not depriving myself of that opportunity because now if I look at from February the income that I've managed, I was laughing. It's now actually double what I get on um, what I get from up at the end of the month. What I'm getting is actually times three what I was getting from that school. So I knew this while I was at that school because there were days that after work I reached home around 4 5. Then I'll start trading. I'll trade through the night. I would make something like 300 US dollars, 200 US dollars. So I knew what I was doing. because I was now in a position to grow those small accounts. So I was just asking myself, what exactly am I doing? Because I'm going there, it was like a slave. Yeah, I don't want to talk about that. Something that passed because it pushed me to be in the right path. Yeah, whatever that was taking place, I didn't like it. So I just said, yeah, you know what? There's no reason why I'm staying here because I can do this. I knew that I can do this. So I'm here with you guys because I made the right decision. But I'm not saying you should follow the same thing. No. Make sure you know exactly what you're doing. So let's just talk about this indicator that I recently created, which I'm going to give to Benedict. So now that we've confirmed on we have a red histogram. That's the first thing. Then you go to a 1 year time frame. Wait again to have a red histogram, and then when the arrow comes, you see how the price will drop. How the price. So you have a lot of signals. You can see here, even if there are these spikes, you will see you'll be in a position to catch this movement. So this indicator is going for $19 US. Our promotion is ending on the 28th, but I saw that it's not fair. That's one thing I discovered. Well, most of you get your money at the end of the month. So I'm gonna stretch this to the 30th of November. That's where this promotion will end. So if you want this scalping, it's called the Trix EMA scalping indicator for boom and crash. So I created this. So you can see there are some people who wants to make some payment and buy something, and I'm with you guys, sharing with you these amazing things. So if you want, so this indicator works for boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, and also crash 500. So if you are interested, you can join. You can also get in touch with me and get this indicator. So let me quickly read the comments. Let me quickly read the comments. Thank you. Get in touch. I want to send this before I close this live. Benedict, please get in touch with me. Um, use that number, and then we can. Are you the one communicating on WhatsApp? Okay. Okay, guys. I think I no longer have. Uh, the fear of Christ 300 is the beginning of knowledge. I loved. Okay, anyway, guys, thank you for your time. I hope whatever that I shared with you will be beneficial and you use it to make money in this market. So, with me, until next time, I think we have another live on Wednesday. Yeah, early morning, 8, 9, yeah, early morning. Then we can have another live. So, until next time, it's bye bye for now.